Here's how we can use writing tools on iPhone 17. So once you compose your text, whether it is like the messaging app or anywhere else, what you can do is you can double tap on the text, and then you can go over here and you can, for example, find the writing tools option over here. Or you can also just simply, once again, double tap and you can find just the icon. You can of course extend it all the way to the whole text that you have written. And let's use this button. And there we go. Over here we have writing tools. We can describe what kind of change we want to make to our selected text. We can also rewrite it. We can make it sound more friendly, more professional, and so on and so forth. So let's say I'm gonna choose professional. And as you can see, it has been converted into a more professional sentence. And this sounds more professional. You can of course rewrite it if you want, so you can switch to the original one, or you can tap on this check in order to accept the change. And there we go, our text has been replaced with a more professional sounding one. And that's all you have to do. Of course, there are multiple different tools that we can use in writing tools, and it's up to you what you actually want to do with your text. You can also tap on compose over here in order to compose your text with ChatGPT. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.